How to use Shopify for car detailing. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to use Shopify for car detailing. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a link down in the description below which will redirect you to a sign up page for Shopify in where you can get a 3-day free trial. And then after those 3 days, these 3 plans over here, the basic plan, the Shopify plan, and the advanced plan will only cost you $1 per month instead of $19, $49, and $299. So without further ado, let us begin. So the big question is, why should you use Shopify for your car detailing services? Well, Shopify allows you to promote your services online and of course manage everything in one place. So it has features like checking out your analytics, making discounts, and of course customizing your online store, just to name a few of its features. So the first thing that we're gonna do first is to add our service. So to do that, just go to products over here. And after that, what you want to do is to just simply click on add product right here in the top right corner. And after that, what you want to do is to just input your service right here. So for example, I'll be adding exterior detailing for the car right here. So I'll just add exterior detailing services. There you go. And then after that, just input the description of your services right here, or you can use Shopify's AI right here. So for me, I'll just use Shopify's AI, and then I'll just add the keywords car exterior detailing services. So I'll just click on generate, and then after that, you can either keep this or generate a new one. For me, I'll just keep it. Next is media. So in here, what you want to do is just look for a photo that you want to use for your service. So as an example, I'll use this one over here. I'll just head back to Shopify, click on upload, and then after that, I'll just simply upload that image. Next is pricing. So in here, just input the price of your services right here. So for example, I'll just set mine to 2,000, and then there you go. You can also charge tax on this product if you want to. Next is we have inventory. So in here, we really don't need to do anything in here except for unticking this box since we're not tracking anything. So we're not tracking the quantity of our products. Same goes with shipping. So we're not really selling physical products over here, so we can untick this box over here. Next is we have variants. So in here, feel free to add your variants. So to add your variants, just simply click on this, and after that you can choose the pre-made variants over here like color, vehicle type, or vehicle application area, or you can create your custom one right here. So feel free to choose what kind of variants you want to use. So as an example, I'll just choose vehicle type, and after that I'll just click on this, click on add vehicle type, and then from here just add your vehicle type. So for example, I'll add an SUV, a truck, a van, and a motorcycle. And after that, just click on done. And then at the bottom over here, you can also set different price ranges for your variants right here. So you can have a different price for the car variant, the SUV, the truck, van, and motorcycle. So feel free to customize these prices out if you want to. Next is we have category meta fields. So just input your category meta fields right here. And then next is we have search engine listing. So this is what your service will look like if someone will search it online. And then at the very top over here, we have the status. So in here, you can set the status of your service as active or draft. And then we have product organization. So in here, just input your product type. So for example, I'll just be adding services. Choose your vendor. I'll just choose my store. You can also add this to your collection. So I'll just add this to my homepage. And then lastly, just add tags. So again, I'll just add services as a tag. Click on add, and then there you go. And then once you're done customizing your service, just simply click on save. And then after that, our service is now being created. Next, I'll be adding more services right here. So I'll be adding 2 more services. So I'll be adding interior detailing right here and also engine detailing. So again, to add your service, just simply click on add product right here in the top right corner. And then again, just redo the details that you did for the previous service that you made. And then there you go. So I added 2 more services right here. So I added engine detailing services and interior detailing services. So next, what we're going to do now is to install an app so that customers that will be visiting our website will be able to book these services. So to install the app, what you want to do is to just click on apps right here. Click on all recommended apps, and then just simply click on the Shopify App Store right here. And then once you're here, just go to the search bar and then just search up for Appointly. And then after that, just install this app over here. And then after that, just simply click on install over here. Then after it's done installing, just click on open right there. And then after that, you'll be redirected here in the setup page for Appointly. So what you want to do first is to go to services right here and then just click on add new service. And then in here, what you want to do is just add the services that you've made right here in the product section. So first, I'll just add the exterior detailing services. Click on add service, and then there you go. Let's add a new one. Let's add the interior. There you go. Add service. And then there you go. And then lastly, let's add the engine detailing services. Click on add service, and then there you go. So now you're now done. So what we're gonna do now is to customize our online store. So to do that, just go to online store over here, and then after that, you'll be redirected here in the themes page. So in here, you can use Shopify's default theme, which is Dawn, or you can use some of the free themes right here at the bottom. So if you want to use some of the free themes right here at the bottom, just simply click on add, and then after that, that theme will now be applied to your website. And if you want to check out more themes, just click on visit theme store over here, and then after that, you'll be redirected here in the Shopify theme store. So feel free to choose what kind of theme you want to use, and then in the left side you can also filter out the kinds of themes that you want to use. But for me, I'll just stick with the default theme of Shopify. So in here, I'll just use this one over here. I'll just click on customize, and then after that we'll be redirected here in the website editor. So what we're gonna do first is to edit out sections. So sections are usually covered around by these blue lines over here, and you'll also see the name of that section in the top left corner. So what I am hovering on right now with my mouse is an image banner section. So when I click on this, as you can see in the right side, there are some settings right here that we can use to customize our section. So for example, I'll just add an image right here, and then after that, I'll just select this image right here, click on done, and then after that, that image will now be applied to your image banner. Next, I'll also change the text right here in the heading. So let's say I'll just name it welcome to my car detailing services, and then there you go. Next is we're gonna add sections. So to add sections to your website, just simply go to the left side over here, click on add section, and then after that, just choose the kind of section you want to add. So for me, I'll just add the featured product section right here, and then after that, that will now be added. So I'll just click on this section, and I will now start customizing it. So first, I'll just select the service that I want to feature. So let's say I want to feature the exterior detailing services, and then there you go. Next is if you want to customize the other pages of your store, just simply click on this one right here, and then from here you can now start customizing your products page, your cart and checkout page, and a lot more. So feel free to customize these pages out. And then after that, before saving, what you want to do is go to app embeds over here, and then make sure that appointly booking is switched on. So if it's switched off, switch it on like this. And then after that, just simply click on save to save your changes. And then after that, once you're ready to publish your website, just click on publish right here, click on publish again. And then after that, your website will now be published. So to preview your website, just simply click on these three dots over here. And then after that, just click on preview. And then after that, you'll be redirected to your website right here. So for example, when someone tries to avail one of your services, when they try to avail it, as you can see, there will be an option right here that will allow that customer to schedule their time for your services. So again, when a person clicks on schedule your time over here, they can now schedule a date and the time for those services, and then they can also choose the variants right here for that specific service. So yeah, next is we have analytics. So in here, you'll get to see a detailed view about the analytics of your website. So you'll get to see your total sales, total orders, average order value, and a lot more. So feel free to check this section out. Next is we have reports. So in here, you'll get to see all of your reports, and you can create custom reports right here in the top right corner. And then we have live view. So in here, you'll get to see a live view of your website. So you get to see how many visitors you have right now, total sessions, total sales, total orders, and a lot more. So feel free to check this section out. And then lastly, we have discounts. So in here, you can create discounts for your services. So to create a discount, just click on add discount right here. And then after that, just select your discount type. So you can choose amount off products, buy X, get Y, amount off order, free shipping. So feel free to choose what kind of discount type you want to use. For me, I'll just choose amount off order. And then after that, will be redirected here. So first, just choose your method. So you can choose discount code or automatic discount. For me, I'll just choose discount code, and then just input your discount code right here, or you can generate a random one right here. For me, I'll just generate a random one. And then next is we have discount value. So in here, just set your discount value to percentage or fixed amount. For me, I'll just leave it at percentage and make it 5%. And then after that, there are also some settings right here that you can customize for your services, like minimum purchase requirements, customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, and combinations. So feel free to customize these settings out. And then lastly, we have active dates. So in here, you can set start dates and end dates for your discounts. So just input their dates here, and of course, their start time and their end time. And then once you're done customizing your discount, just simply click on save discount right here at the bottom. And then after that, your discount code has now been created. And at the very top over here, you'll also get a shareable link so that you can promote your discount code via email or social media to your customers. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Shopify for car detailing services. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.